Match officially underway here at NWA Crossfire. Kylie Paige set to go one-on-one with Kohnor Martin. Martin, of course, a member of the Coven, has been quite a thorn in the side of not just the Paige sisters, but honestly everyone here at NWA Crossfire.
And we saw a glimpse of this earlier this evening whenever Kylie Paige defended her NWA World's Women's Championship against another member of the Coven in Serena Vale. These are issues between the Paige sisters and the Coven that have just been tearing things to shreds here at NWA Crossfire for the last several months. Of course, the Coven not happy with this alliance with the National Wrestling Alliance, not happy with the future of NWA Crossfire, want things to go back to the way they used to be, the image that Isaac Kane believes that NWA Crossfire should be.
Seeing early on, Martin using that strength advantage. However, do not count out Kylie Paige. We've seen Kylie Paige mix it up with some of the best, not just in the women's division, but in the men's division as well. And I've heard from numerous competitors that nobody strikes as hard as the Paige sisters.
Oh, that's 100% fact, not a single bit of hyperbole right there. I mean, and the two of us have been here for pretty much every single bit of Kylie Paige's career, and we have seen these tall tasks ahead of her, and it is always a bad idea to count Kylie out.
Martin, no! Writing a check that he may not be able to cash there. Martin's had enough, swing and a miss with the clothesline. And now things are picking up. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors from Kylie Paige. Martin got to be careful not to discredit Kylie Paige.
Even if Kylie doesn't have a strength advantage, she has so many other strengths, the agility, the speed, the technical acumen.
Martin pumping the brakes. And you mentioned it, Rob, for months now, the Coven has ran roughshod over here at NWA Crossfire. But honestly, this goes back years in the Paige family, the Henry family, Kinsey and Kylie going to war with Isaac Kane. Isaac obviously has had his fair share of problems with his brother, Tommy Henry, and he's looking to take back control here. He wants to get rid of the NWA, and a running hip attack from Kylie Paige.
It's going to be a lot easier said than done with the Paige sisters putting up the fight that they are known for, and Kylie Paige is showing that fight right now against Kohnor Martin.
Off the ropes, crossbody. And all that air in the lungs driven out of Kohnor Martin. Taking a little breather over here by the bar. Martin on the outside. It looks like Kylie looking to fly and has to pump the brakes. Martin had it scouted. Kylie, going for the crossbody, but caught. And now Martin just having his way and drives the spine right to the post and going for it one more time.
Don't do that.
Kylie Paige being punished as Kohnor Martin taking a moment to admire his handiwork. As the official already up to a count of 6. Stiff overhand chop from Kylie.
Now, but look at Martin immediately firing back with a shot of his own.
Already up to a count of 8. Martin rolls in to break the count. And you hear the support from the crowd here for Kylie. Seeing some Kylie Paige shirts out in the crowd as well. Kylie back onto her feet. Now in comes Martin. Martin charges in, big clothesline, just wiping out Paige. Easy now. Having some words for Tommy Henry on the outside.
Do not take your eyes off of Kylie Paige. I think Kohnor Martin looking.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. The cockiness.
Look, and he's got every reason to be feeling himself a little bit in this match. I mean, he's got that strength on display right now. He's definitely taking Kylie to the woodshed, but you cannot take your eyes off of either one of the Paige sisters.
Kylie maybe on Dream Street right now, and now being placed on that middle rope. Martin looking to choke the life out of Kylie. Martin just toying with Kylie. Grabs a hold of the waist. Looking for a German suplex, and good God almighty, did he get it. Kylie landing right on her head.
But he's got to keep the pressure on. I don't know what he's thinking right now. The Covenant's been to war with the Paige sisters for so long. He knows better than this right now. He knows that you cannot let yourself get too confident or you will pay for it.
As our official trying to stand between things. She continues to check on Kylie. Martin now pulling Kylie back to her feet. Hoists her up once again with ease and drives her down with a power slam.
Instead of going for the cover, instead of trying to keep the pressure on, he gives Kylie an opportunity to roll to the outside.
Kylie now with a chance to get a breather. The crowd showing their love for one of the co-owners of Crossfire. Seems like Kohnor not gonna wait. Makes his way to the outside now, stalking Kylie. Oh! A shot to the midsection, and now Kylie trying to fight out.
Got an opportunity to stay in the ring, potentially take a count out.
A lot of shocked faces in the crowd right now as Kylie being rolled back into the ring. Martin staying right behind. Kylie doing anything she can to pull herself back up.
Look at how much damage now being done to Kohnor Martin. Feeling every bit of these strikes from Kylie Paige. You said it, man. One of the stiffest strikers in the game today.
Pound for pound, maybe one of the best. And now off the ropes. Oh, and brought down by Martin.
Folding up Kylie Paige. Now Martin just stalking his prey.
Look at the smirk now from Martin. Martin absolutely enjoying this. And you have to imagine that Isaac Kane has spoken with Martin ahead of this match, told him exactly what he wants to see, and now hoisting up Kylie Paige. Drop down with a delayed vertical suplex. You see the damage done to the lower back of Kylie.
Kohnor just continuing to stalk Kylie into the corner.
Martin just so methodical. He knows he's in control. He wants to keep things at his own pace.
There's a lot of danger there, doing exactly what he's doing right now, creating way too much distance with Kylie.
Charges in, oh, running clothesline into the corner. Martin just savoring every little bit of this beating. Just taking his time, sends Kylie off the ropes, now hoists her up. Oh! Hellacious spine buster from Martin. Kylie being absolutely decimated right now.
Kohnor in no hurry to put away Kylie Paige. And now taunting Kylie. Don't do that. But
cockiness of Kohnor Martin on full display as he's running for that hip attack. Took too long, and now Kylie has an opportunity. Kylie, running neck breaker. Doing anything she can to get in control of the match. The crowd showing their love for Kylie.
I was creating some separation right now. She needs those ropes to get back to her feet.
Martin missed with the clothesline, and now Kylie building up a head of steam. In that second gear. Here comes that Henry fighting spirit we've come to know. Oh, caught by Martin. Going for that German suplex again. Kylie had it scouted. Kylie doing whatever she can to fight out now from behind. Has a hold of Martin. Going for a German suplex of her own, but it's seemingly having no effect on the larger opponent.
Oh, changes position.
Oh, Saito suplex! Just what Kylie needed. Now Shard is in, running knee strike to Martin. This could be a knockout blow. Is it enough? No. And Martin kicking out at 2. How much damage has been done to Kylie?
You can see Kylie right now. Those gears are starting to turn. She's gritting her teeth. It's time to bite down on the proverbial mouthpiece and get the business.
Sends Martin over the top. Sweeps the leg. What does Kylie have in mind here? Off the ropes, double stomp to the chest. Martin certainly has seen better days. And now Kylie with a handful of hair of Martin. Rolls him back into the ring. Kylie being consoled by the fans here in attendance. Kylie going back into the ring, caught with a stomp.
Took a little bit too much time to get back in between those ropes.
Kohnor taking advantage of the situation and delivers a hellacious stomp. Now, once again, very cocky, goes for the cover, and Kylie able to kick out. See the surprised look on the face of Kohnor Martin. And you have to ask yourself, Rob, what is it going to take to put away Kylie?
I mean, I can tell you right now, in the boxing world, we would call it punches and bunches. You got to start stringing stuff together. You need combinations. You can't just hit a move, walk away, hit a move, walk away. That's not going to be enough to do it.
Now hoisted on the shoulders of Martin. Going for the gorilla press slam. Kylie just dropped face first into the mat. Cover is made from Martin. And still again the defiant Kylie able to kick out.
The hell is this?
It's Max with a chair. At the end of the day, what's more important to the Coven? Is it winning, or is it making a statement? Martin refusing the chair. But hold on, Kylie from behind. Kylie with a roll up. Kylie wins. Kylie wins. Kylie surviving the punishment, picks up a victory, but folks, I think the story here is Kohnor Martin refusing the help of the Coven.